Hi everybody and welcome back to this new video. Today we have here a wireless charger from ANKER. We know ANKER for making great products and this is exactly one of those. On the top we find a label saying thanks for choosing ANKER. If we open we find a small package inside that contains the wireless charging pad, a micro USB charging cable and a user manual with instructions. This charging pad doesn't support the 7.5 charging but only the 5 watt charging. That's not a real problem or an issue because the charge is always fast and it's pretty the same as the charge by wire. The product is completely made of plastic, but the build quality is very good. I've been using it for several days and I'm really happy with this. On the back we find some technical information. ANKER recommends using a wall adapter that has at least an output of 2 ampere, this for making the product work better, and it's entirely covered with rubber, and this is a good thing because it prevents the pad from slipping away during the charging period. On the front we have the logo ANKER and on the side we have the micro USB charging port. In the package, as I told you before, there is also a micro USB charging cable, but there is not the wall adapter. You can use different wall adapter, but mind that ANKER recommends, as I told you before, a 2 ampere output. On the top there is also a small LED that turns on every time we put the phone on it. This LED is really small and turns on in blue color when we lay down the phone. The best thing about this charging pad is that it doesn't overheat and it doesn't make the phone become hot, and this is a good news for our batteries and for the charging pad itself. It has also all certification for making our charge safe, and it has a system that prevents the temperature to go farther 41 degrees. This is a great product. It has an excellent quality and I can say that this is the best wireless charger actually on the market. It is especially designed for iPhone 8, 8 Plus and 10. That's all from Tech Devices on Air.